trying out the Gensee products. One is the Clean Sheen Cheek Plus Lip Color and the shade Apricot, and the other one is the matte lipstick in the shade Selma. But anyways, I'm gonna use this one first. This is a 2-in-1 product, so you use it for your cheeks and lips. And as you can see, it's a very pretty bright orange corally shade, which I love when it comes to blushes. Anyway, so it came out pretty nicely. It's pigmented, as you can see, but don't get intimidated because once you blend it with the beauty blender, it's very light and sheer. You can barely tell anything. I was like, where is it? I don't see anything. I was not feeling it because I wanted it to be pigmented and bright, but I was like, it's okay, I'm gonna layer it, and there we go. You can now start seeing it. So it was still a little too bland for me. It was not giving a lot. As you can see, I was like, I need more color. And I was like, you know what? Let me just leave it like that for now. So I was like, let me test it on my lips now. And it's very soft. And the color was not it for me. It didn't look that great on my skin tone. It came out really light. And my lips as well. So this is a very, very natural. This brand is good for people that like natural, quick, easy makeup. So I was like, I don't think I like it, but let me just test the lipstick first to make my lips look better and less sickly. So then, this is in the shade Selma. It's like a bright red orange, which is really pretty, but it's hard to pull off. You have to have a certain skin tone. And to me, I don't think it looked great on me, to be honest. But I was like, you know what? Let me just do it. Let me use it. I don't care. It looks better than the other one that I used, to be honest. And look, oh my gosh. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. I just put it on. Very moisturizing. It's very soft, very pretty, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the end of the look. And yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.